This is another piece from the 4 pieces that I'm doing in 4 days, and it is probably looking familiar. It is the low boy to the tall boy that I already did. This is my middle child, younger son's dresser, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's get started. Can you see the shape? It's gonna be a lot straighter than that, but you know, that's the general shape. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna call it a night. I've prepped. All right. Good night. Good morning. We're gonna tape out the pattern. I like the tops so much, I wanted to keep them in their natural state. Using up my Dixie Boss, I have mixed in a bit of the green. Yeah. Oh crap. Okay. I forgot to seal it. my son's dresser in the Krylon chalky finish. It's sage green, it says. Happy with that. First coat's drying. While that dries, I will sand the handles and stain those. I'm going to wait until everything is painted before I stain the body of it and the drawers. That's looking really good. I'm using min wax in dark walnut. Right, this is the case of don't do as I do, please. So I wasn't concentrating. I don't know what I was thinking, probably because I was trying to do 4 pieces in 4 days. I taped off so I could do the paint first, and then, I mean, I can, right, tape over the paint and then stain, but I'm being a bit lazy because I've done a lot today. So I'm staining and I'm wiping back with mineral spirits when it goes on the paint, but I'm being really careful, so not a lot is going on the paint. You run the risk of removing your paint when you do that, so don't do as I do. This is me using a shortcut. You know what? Yeah. Moving on. this guy a top coat. I'm using, sorry, forgot to tell you, Minwax 1 coat polyurethane, and it's water based, and I've watered it down because last time I tried to use it I felt like it was way too thick, and now it feels a lot better. But it's gonna need 1,000,000 coats. Well, and by 1,000,000 I mean like, I don't know, 3 or 4. Okay, don't fiddle with it. The wood grain on these dresses, so Samuel's dresser is right there and then Aiden's is backs up onto it. I just couldn't bring myself to paint over it. It's just too pretty. It's too pretty of a wood grain. That's why I kept the tops stained or in their natural state, as I said. The boys are super happy with their dresses. I have one more thing to do for this set, and it won't be for a few weeks yet. I have a vanity that I want to cut in half and turn into side tables for the boys. It's going to be a little more of a complicated cut and build, so I keep moving it around my shop because I'm like, I'm gonna get to you, but I'm just not yet. I have to give it some more thought and some more planning and then get into it. But that's coming in a few weeks, maybe, you know, maybe after the summer, I think. Next week's piece, guys, is the green beast. That's what we've nicknamed it in the house. Because it's part 2 of my part 1. If you've seen my part 1 of my massive fail, I mean, it's not that massive, I'm so dramatic, but when the top didn't work out for the green, the base worked out perfectly, so we're going to go over the base and how we painted that and all that sort of stuff, and then the top. And there's a bit of a twist in that one. I'm not giving it away right now, but you'll have to tune in next week. So I hope to catch you guys on that video. Bye.